Officers responded to a chaotic scene where multiple children accused an adult woman of physically assaulting them.
Look, I can tell you what happened. She...
Look girl. Yo,
girl right here. She
push the girl down to the bicycle.
She was throwing stuff at us and calling us N-words.
And that's the problem.
Stop. Do not fight me. Put your hands behind
I'm not going to put my hands against it. I'm not going to fight anybody.
Do not fight me or I'm going to put you on the ground. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Listen, shut up.
No, you stop talking.
Okay, shut up. I get it. But look at me. These kids are not... Please. These kids are not the problem here.
Come on.
Wait. No, stop.
This is not going to go well for you. You're going to go to
stop
my car.
right here, please. Are you serious? Why? All right. Do you hear that they're laughing? Like,
I don't
why?
care. You're out here beating up little kids. Give me a break.
Beating up little kids?
Give me a break. Give me a break.
I'm not beating up little
Stop.
kids.
Stop.
I'm not beating up little kids. I'm not beating up little kids. Look at the little backpack.
See, and this is what I'm saying.
Look at her.
Get in the car.
Happily. This is the... Oh my God.
I'll talk to you in a minute. Okay, thank you. So tell me what happened.
Okay. See the little, hey, get a little, hey, yo. Look, get the little girl right here with the purple on. She pushed that down. Come down. Another kid, she calling them. And then she pushed the little girl down. Wait a minute, hey.
Let me tell you. Because the girl...
Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Here's what we have to do. So that way we get everything straight. I've got more officers coming. We're gonna talk to everybody one at a time, okay? You guys cool with that?
Yeah.
Okay. She put her hands on.
All right. Who's guarding? Okay, yeah, let's all talk over here, guys. Hold on 1 second. You break out my window, you're getting a felony charge. You understand that?
You're real hard ass. Hear that?
Do you understand?
Now you're what, 21?
No.
What? You're 22.
No, I'm 35.
Oh, hard ass.
As the officer tries to speak with the woman, her behavior becomes more aggressive and emotional. Instead of calmly answering questions, she interrupts and reacts defensively. At the same time, as officers begin gathering statements from witnesses, a clearer picture starts to form. Multiple accounts suggest that the woman pushed a young girl to the ground. As tensions rise, the officer issues a firm warning after noticing her behavior near the patrol car, making it clear that any damage to police property could lead to additional charges. But even after this warning, the woman appears unconcerned, continuing to argue rather than cooperate, further escalating the situation.
That's what's crazy. Okay. What happened, sweetheart? Speak up.
I was riding my bike on my brother.
Where were you riding your bike at? Over on Orange? Okay.
Orange the 21st or Orange and what's that, 20th? By the store?
Okay.
I was trying to ride past to see if I want something from the store.
Okay.
Then she came up to me, pulled me from the corner, and pushed me off. Then off my bike. She was trying to touch me again.
Was she helping you? Let me see your arm.
So you were just riding your bike and she just pushed you off willy-nilly?
And then she was trying to touch me.
36, if you could step it up. She's trying to break out my window. Give me just a second, guys.
Oh, you think you're getting somewhere?
Stop.
No!
Stop.
Don't let me
Stop.
give me a minute!
No!
No!
You need to stop. Act like a grown-up.
I'm
How old are
trying
you?
to. How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm your age.
Okay, then you need to
So
start
give
acting
me
like
a
it.
minute to act like your age.
Okay, then I'm telling you, sit in the back of this car, relax, and I will come talk to
You're
you.
giving all these children a minute to...
Correct, because they're the alleged victims, so you need
And
to
I was
relax.
here to like
You need to relax.
I was on
You
their
need to
side.
relax.
I was on their
You
side.
need to relax. I will come talk
That's
to you
not fair.
and get everything figured out, but right now you need to relax and act like an adult.
That's not fair.
Do you understand?
No, I don't. I have children.
I am trying to talk to them to get everything...
They don't. Please.
Okay,
Please.
I'll stand.
Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna wait right here. I just
We
gotta
can clear 10-3. I've got unit 2, thank you. You can mark us 10-6. Sorry, sir.
I was trying to get my bike back, but she was like,
Did she, take your bike?
she pushed me off the bike, and I was trying to grab it, but she was trying to touch me.
Okay.
Then she put her hands around your neck. That's what Tom said. Did she was choking you?
Did she choke you out?
I think she shot me.
So she put her hands around your neck. Do you remember that, or did she just like grab your chest or your arms?
Like, she put one of her hands around my neck.
On the front or the back?
I think on the side. Then she pushed
On
me
the
out.
side?
Then she pushed me off my bike.
Okay.
Then she.
At this point, the officer focuses on one child to understand what really happened. The child explains she was riding her bike when the woman came up and pushed her off. She also describes the woman trying to grab her, even near her neck. This makes the situation more serious, because any physical contact with a child can lead to charges. Meanwhile, the woman keeps interrupting and arguing. The officer tells her to sit back and calm down, making it clear that the children are the priority right now. Other witnesses confirm the same story, and none of them know the woman. With multiple people saying the same thing, the officer now has enough information to move forward with the case.
Nope. Absolutely. So give us a few minutes. We got to get some paperwork. We'll get you guys all squared away, and then we'll get that figured out, okay? Are there any questions that I can answer for you right now?
No, you're good.
Okay, perfect. Give me just a second.
So now tell me what happened.
So, it's just, I don't understand, like, all these kids are, like, out here, like, there's nothing that can face them. Like, there's nothing that can go wrong. And, like, I grew up in Naples, Florida, where, like, honestly, nothing can really go wrong. Like, honestly, nothing can go wrong. But everything can really go wrong. And I came up to these, I did.
You came up to these kids?
I came up to these kids, and I was like, look, like, I'm not gonna pretend like I'm, like, you know, something safe to you, like, because shit is not safe. Like, people are not what they claim to be. And, like, I need you to know that. Like,
So you approached them just to talk to them?
I approached them like, I mean, like, shit can be wrong.
Do you know these kids?
I don't know these kids, no. I don't know these kids.
Okay. And you just wanted to tell them, like, what?
I wanted to make a stance, or, like, I just wanted to, like, make them know that, like, things are not always what they seem. Like, things are not always what they seem. And, like, if your mom is telling you that, like, everything's right, like, you know, these kids literally came up to me like I was their best friend. And I was like, I'm not your best friend. Like,
oh, so they approached you to talk with you?
Well, I mean, I'm not saying that they approached me. These are, like, really bad.
Hey,
but, like, I seriously,
listen. So I want you to listen to me. You were kicking this window earlier. If that happens again, we're going to tie you.
I won't kick any windows. I won't.
We're going to get you out. We're going to check your handcuffs, because now you're calm, and we can do this the right way.
All I wanted to do is tell these kids that,
okay.
like,
listen to me. Listen to me.
These kids,
listen
need
to me.
Know that, like,
are you listening to me?
I'm listening.
Okay, I'm going to have you step out. We're going to help you. We're going to check the handcuffs. We're going to adjust them properly. Okay? That doesn't mean they're going to come off right now, or that they're going to come off. But I need you to cooperate. Okay.
I will
step
cooperate. Out. But I can come out?
Yes, you can step out, and we'll check.
Kids, they need, like, guidance. They really do.
You were just trying to give them some guidance, that's all.
Not even that, but, like, these kids just...
I'm good.
All right, here, have a seat in here, okay?
But can you please take these?
Take them off.
I just want you to take, like, give me a little bit of, like...
I already loosened them.
Listen, we loosened them, and that's all we're going to do for now.
I'm not going to, like hit anybody. Can you please just, like...
Okay. No. Have a seat in there. We're going to figure everything out. If you explain to us what happened after we talk with them, then we'll be able to help you out with that, possibly.
They're like...
Have a seat. Push up.
Take a step up. Big step up. Big step.
There you go.
There we go.
All right. So keep explaining to me. Keep explaining to me what happened.
Really suck.
Well, I want you to explain to Officer Fukunaga.
No, she doesn't want to hear.
No,
yes, she does.
But she doesn't.
I wasn't here.
She wants to talk to you.
That way what?
My mom.
Yeah. Hey, come over.
No, I need to put down that she put her hands on another child.
Okay. Who she touched?
She pushed her against the gate.
Her? Okay. You saw that happen?
I seen no, I really didn't see that much. I literally was coming to stop her, so I wasn't paying attention.
Tell me everything that you saw.
Okay, I'm sitting on my porch.
Okay.
Seen her trying to throw sticks at the kids. We yelled and told her to stop. I seen him come up. He said, "Did you guys see that?" I said, "Yes." I was like, "Ma'am, quit throwing the kicks at the sticks." She's like, "Well, these kids are out of control. It doesn't matter. Stop throwing. Leave the kids alone.
Right.
They'll leave you alone. Walk away."
Right.
And when I seen her push the little girl, well, my daughter seen her push the little girl. I ran over there to make sure the girl was all right. And
So
that's
you
when
saw her push the girl off the bike.
No. I seen my daughter seen it. I leaned over.
okay,
I seen her on the ground.
Gotcha.
So I ran over there. And then that's when she pushed her when I was going over there to stop her. But I didn't see a lot of it. I was just ran over to stop her. I know she put her hands on me. I got scratches on my back, but I don't give a fuck about that.
Okay, you don't want to press charges?
Hell no. My back will heal.
You have your ID on you?
No.
Do you mind if I just grab your information?
Do I have to be in this thing?
It's up to you. You don't have to
No,
be.
because I don't like going to court now.
Okay, all right, no worries. No worries. That's fine.
I'm sorry.
By law, they
Hi.
cannot talk to you or make you say anything
What happened?
without your
Okay,
parents.
so basically, me and her were just going back to her house.
Who's her?
Me, you're there.
Oh,
My name's
okay.
there.
Okay, hi.
So we were going back to my house.
Okay.
Then
By going back to your house, what do you mean? Where were you at?
we were with her at her house.
On Orange?
Right.
Orange at 20th?
Yes.
Okay.
So we were going back to my house, and then the lady had was chasing the little kids.
Okay.
So I'm like wondering why.
What was she saying?
I don't know. She's drunk.
Okay, just
She's
screaming.
drunk.
Okay.
So usually when people are drunk, I don't mess with people that are drunk.
Yeah.
Then we're laughing, but we're laughing at something else.
Okay.
She's like, "Oh, you think it's funny, da da da," and we're over here saying, "We're not laughing at you." And then out of nowhere, she sees her laughing and she pushes her to the gate.
What gate?
This exact gate, but on the other side of these.
But on the Orange Avenue side?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And she just pushed you for no reason?
Yeah.
How old are you?
13.
13. Okay. Are you guardian? Are you just friend?
We're friends.
Okay. Do you have a parent that you can call?
Yeah,
Or, huh?
I do, but she did.
She needs to not be busy right now. We're the police, and so you need to get her on the phone. Okay. Please and thank you.
Okay. So, do you understand that you can have an attorney with you while we're asking you questions and stuff?
This whole time, sure, but can somebody please just
I can't loosen
them
them anymore.
up?
I cannot loosen them anymore. If you cannot
I'm not
afford an
gonna
attorney,
fight you.
I understand that,
I
but I,
just
still
want to have
can't
a
loosen them.
conversation.
You can have the conversation with your mouth, not your hands. If
But you
cannot
haven't conversated with me this whole time.
I have been. I've been with you this whole time. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you. Do you understand that?
So hard. Can you
Alexandra,
please?
do you understand that?
Can you please like?
Alexandra,
Can you,
he's not going
like-
to talk to you until after I've done reading this.
Can you just
We
put
can't
her
listen
in?
then.
Like it's so hard.
Alexandra, do you understand that if you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you? Do you understand that?
No, it's so.
We're done here. So here's what's happening, okay? Go ahead and slide in a little bit
You
for
have
me.
no kids. You have no
Slide in a little
heart.
bit for me,
Like,
okay? I want to explain your charges to you, okay? Just slide in for
what
me.
are my charges?
I'd like to explain it to you, but I need you to slide in a little bit,
You're
okay?
a dick.
Yeah, that's fine. I just need you to slide in a little bit for me, okay? Can you
No.
do that?
No.
Okay, so if you don't do
So
that, I'm
I would
going
love
to
for
charge
you to push me in. I want to talk to you.
Okay, I'm done talking with you.
So you have not talked to me at all.
I've
though.
talked to you enough. I'm done.
You haven't talked to me at all.
So here's your charges, okay? You're getting 2 counts of child disorderly, intox, and
What?
resisting without violence, okay? Do you have any questions for me?
Yes.
Yeah, what are your questions?
Why am I being charged with anything
Well, we tried to get your
involving
side
a
of this-
child?
Because you pushed one child and you pushed another child against the fence.
Do you
So-
have proof?
Yes, I have witnesses.
Where can I see proof? I've
Sure, we'll be on
never.
your PCA. Slide in for me.
Are you going to push me?
I will if I need to, so I'm
But
going to
I
need you to
haven't.
just slide in for me.
But I
please.
have not touched a child. I've not once touched a child.
Would you mind sliding in for me?
I will if I have to, but
You
I
do
haven't.
have to.
Yes,
You do have to.
You do have to.
But please help
Go
me.
ahead.
We are helping.
You know, no, but he's pushing. He's putting hands on me. I haven't touched him.
You've been resisting, so
Relax.
you're gonna go in.
Relax. Just slide in.